In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a little refresher on managing your VAT, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to your Zoho Books account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings hub, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now, with the settings menu open, you might feel a little overwhelmed with all the options. But don't worry, we're going to make this as simple as possible. You'll see a search bar at the top of the settings page. Click into this search bar and type in the word tax. This will help us quickly navigate to the section we need without having to scroll through all the options. Once you've typed in tax, press enter, and you'll see a list of tax-related options appear. From here, look for the option labeled Tax Exclusive and click on it. This is where we will configure the VAT settings for your Zoho Books account. In the Tax Exclusive section, you can add new VAT rates or adjust existing ones to meet your business's needs. Take a moment to review your current tax settings to ensure everything is up to date. If you need to add a new VAT, you'll typically have an option to add or edit the tax rates. Be sure to input the correct percentage and any additional details that might be required. As you configure these settings, remember to double-check each entry for accuracy. The last thing you want is to apply an incorrect VAT rate to your invoices or financial reports. It might be helpful to keep a reference document handy, especially if you're dealing with multiple VAT rates or jurisdictions. After you've updated or confirmed your VAT settings, take a moment to explore other tax-related options if necessary. This ensures that your tax configuration aligns perfectly with your business operations. And there you have it. You've successfully added VAT in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your financial operations streamlined and accurate is crucial for your business's success. If you ever need to update your VAT settings in the future, just follow these steps and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Have a great day managing your finances with Zoho Books.